Hello student, today we are going to start nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Here we know that the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real number but a not equal to 0. And also we know that the solution of the given quadratic equation is given as x equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a, where d is equal to b square minus 4ac. And taking plus, we have x equal to minus b plus under root d upon 2a, and taking minus sign, we have x equal to minus b minus under root d upon 2a. So our the first zeros is written as alpha and the second zero is written as beta. Zeros are root, both are same. Here we know that d is written as b square minus 4ac, and it is called discriminant of the given quadratic equation. Now it defines the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots means the solution of the given equation is real or not. But here we see that if d equal to 0, then the roots are zeros of the given equation are real and equal. अब ध्यान दो, अगर d की वैल्यू 0 है तो our solution must be minus b upon 2a, and we know that minus b upon 2 is a real number, so we can say that for real and equal roots the discriminant of the given equation must be equal to 0. Now if d greater than 0, it means अगर इसकी वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हो, ग्रेटर देन 0 मीन्स पॉजिटिव हो, तो इन सच कंडीशन द रूट्स आर रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट. इट मीन्स बोथ रूट्स आर रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट. If d greater than or equal to 0, it means either the value of d 0 or more than 0, or it means that the value of d is positive or 0, then roots are real. Now fourth condition, if d less than 0, whenever d is less than 0, it means that d is a negative number, and we know that negative number, square root of a negative number is not a real number, it is a imaginary number. So the roots are not real, which is imaginary number. Now in short, we can say that for real and equal roots d equal to 0, for real roots d greater than or equal to 0, for real and distinct roots d greater than 0, and for no real roots d less than 0. Now some question related to nature of roots. Determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation, and the question is 2x square minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So first solution, here the given equation is, the given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Here the coefficient x square is 2, so a is equal to 2, coefficient x is minus 3, b equal to minus 3, and the constant term 4, so c is equal to 4. Now d equal to, we know that b square minus 4ac, b it gives minus 3 whole square, minus 4 into 2 into 4, it gives 9, minus square plus 3 square 9, 4 to the 8, 8 for the 32, it gives negative d equal to minus 24. Therefore we can say that d equal to minus 4, it means less than 0. So whenever d less than 0, in such condition the roots are non-real. It means roots are not real. Not real, it means that the roots are imaginary numbers. It gives minus 23, so again the value of d is less than 0, so roots are not real. Question number second. The given equation is x minus 1, 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Or open this bracket, x into 2x gives 2x square, x into 5 gives minus 5px, minus 1 into 2x gives minus 2x, and minus 1 minus 5 gives plus 5 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b equal to minus 7, and c equal to 5. Now d equal to, you know that b square minus 4ac. So b minus 7 का whole square and minus 4 into 2 into 5, it gives minus square plus 7 is 49, तो 49 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 14. So it gives 9, and which is greater than 0. So here we see that the value of d is greater than 0. It means that the roots are real and distinct. The roots are real and distinct. Whenever d greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Therefore, both roots are real and distinct. DISTIN. Now third, the given quadratic equation (3 by 5 x square minus 2 by 3 x plus 1 equal to 0). Here a is equal to 3 upon 5, b equal to minus 2 by 3, and c is equal to 1. Now d equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 2 by 3 का whole square minus 4 into 3 by 5 into 1. It gives 4 upon 9 minus 12 by 5. Now 9 5 taking LCM, we have 45, 9 5 45 5, ये 20 होगा 108. It gives d is equal to minus 88 upon 45, which is less than 0. So the roots are non-real, not real. Therefore, roots are not real. Find the value of k for which the roots are real and equal in each of the following quadratic equation. And the first question, the given quadratic equation is kx square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now first solution, the given quadratic equation is kx square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Here the coefficient x square is k, so a is equal to k, b equal to 4 because the coefficient of x is 4, and the constant term c is equal to 1. As you know that the given quadratic equation is compared with the standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we have to find its discriminant. D equal to b square minus 4ac. Here d is called the discriminant of the given quadratic equation. Here we see that b 4 का square minus 4 into k into 1, so it gives 16 minus 4k. Now for real and equal roots, we have d equal to 0. This implies that 16 minus 4k is equal to 0, or this implies that 60 is equal to 4k, or k is equal to 16 upon 4. It gives 4. So this is our required solution. Now for the question number second, find the value of k for which the given quadratic equation has real and equal roots, and the equation is kx square minus 2 under root 5x plus 4 equal to 0. So first we have to compare the given quadratic equation with standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then we have a is equal to k, b equal to minus 2 under root 5, and c is equal to 4. Now if d is the discriminant of the given quadratic equation, then d equal to b square minus 4ac. So first we have to find the value of d. b, it is minus 2 under root 5 whole square minus 4 into k into 4. Here minus का square plus 2 root 5, it gives 25. It gives 20. 2 का square 4 into 5, this gives 20 minus 16k. Since for real and equal roots we have d equal to 0, this implies that 20 minus 16k is equal to 0, or 20 is equal to 16k, or k is equal to 20 upon 16. Further simplify we have, and dividing by 4 in each term, numerator and denominator we have 4 5 are 20, 4 4 5 by 4. So this is your required solution. Now question number 3, find the value of k for which the given quadratic equation 3x square minus 5px plus 2k is equal to 0 has a real and equal roots, and the equation is this. Here a is equal to 3, b equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 2k. For real and equal roots we have d equal to 0, you can write in this way, or this implies b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, or this implies minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2k is equal to 0. It gives 25 minus 4 3 are 12 into 24, 24k is equal to 0, or 25 is equal to 24k, or k is equal to 25 by 24. So this is your required solution, k is equal to 25 by 24. For the question number 4, find the value of k for which the given quadratic equation 4x square plus kx plus 9 equal to 0. To find the value of k for which the roots are real and equal. So our the equation is this. Here a is equal to 4, b equal to k and c is equal to 9. Again, for real and equal roots we have b is equal to 0, or b square minus 4ac equal to 0, because d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So put the value abc we have the k square, because b is equal to k, 4 into a means a 4 है 4 and c is 9 equal to 0. It gives k square minus 4 into 4 into 9, it means that 12 का whole square. Actually after multiplication we have 144, and you know that 124 it is the square of 12 का whole square. 12 whole square means 144. So it is the form of a square minus b square. So we have k minus 12 into k plus 12. So after factorization we have k minus 12 into k plus 12, and the value of k is equal to 12 or k is equal to minus 12. There is another method. Suppose k square minus 4 into 4 into 9, we may write k square minus 144 is equal to 0, or k square is equal to 144, or k is equal to plus minus under 144. So it gives k is equal to plus minus 12. So the value of k is 12 or k is equal to minus 12. You can follow this procedure or this procedure. Fifth question, find the value of k for which the roots are real and equal for the given quadratic equation, which is 2kx square minus 40x plus 25 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2k, b equal to minus 40 and c is equal to 25. As you know that the given quadratic equations is compared with the standard form of the quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus equal to 0. Then we have a is equal to 2k, b equal to minus 40 and c is equal to 25. Now for real and equal roots, d is equal to 0, or this implies b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Further this implies minus 40 whole square minus 4 into 2k into 25 is equal to 0. It gives minus square plus 14 का whole square gives 1600. 4 2 जा 8, 200. Okay, or 1600 is equal to 200k, or k is equal to 1600 upon 200, it gives 8. So our solution is k is equal to 8. Hence we can say that for real and equal root the value of k is 8.